Hi, good morning. I posted the first Vlogmas, I keep saying that. Vlogtober episode for members only, so it'll be ready for the general public this evening. And showered, washed my hair, so I'm feeling fresh. Wearing my alma mater shirt today, Boston Conservatory, and Clover is ready to go play at the park. I just brought this in from my husband's car and he's going nuts. Hey, friendo, I know we're gonna go. We have to get in the car though. Let me put your harness on. He wants to go to the park so bad. And maybe we'll go to the Home Goods too. I'll get this done. I gotta get you dressed. Oh my gosh, he's going nuts. Hey, buddy. So, come on. Did you get it out? Oh, you got it out. Now you gotta get it out of the wall. It's hard work. Oh, you got it? Look at you! You did it! That was a lot of work, huh? Oh, really? Okay. Well, we're gonna go to the park and play with it, okay? All right, we have arrived. I was sitting in my car like doing a quick transaction, like an emergency transaction, because Home Chef closes their orders at noon on Fridays, and it's almost noon on Friday, and I didn't put any credits in my account to get the next Home Chef box. My husband was really looking forward to the next Home Chef box, which is like 4 meals that we make together, and it's fun and tasty, and like I don't have to, do any real extensive grocery shopping. So we're doing like a mix. We're doing like half meal box and half meal planning. So every other week we kind of do a different thing. So got that under control. We're getting our box on Tuesday, so should be a good time. So now Clover can go to the park and play and have some fun. So I'll see you after. Okay, put my hair back. I had a lovely lunch on the porch with Mr. Organized Soprano. We ate our lunches late today, but he starts work late anyway, so I feel no longer starving. We went to Marshall's after the park. We got some K-cups, and now since it's almost gonna be like getting into frost season, I want to pick what's remaining of the vegetables outside. There's jalapeno peppers. There's like some other sort of spicy peppers that are like really spicy. I'm kind of afraid of them, but I'll pick them anyway. And there's definitely some green tomatoes. So I'm gonna make pickled green tomatoes and pickled jalapenos. So I'm gonna go take a bowl and we're gonna get some vegetables. The harvest. We've got a lot of these. I'm not sure what these are. I didn't plant these. The previous owners did. But are these cayenne peppers? They look like cayenne peppers, which, I mean, what do you do with cayenne peppers, you know? So I'm gonna separate those out right here. I have leaves on some of these. Put these in the compost, I guess. And then, let's see, compost. And then we've got, whatever these little guys are, these little pepperonis. I don't know what these are. So, but you know, we'll find out. And then these are some kind of like long boy pepper. I don't know. And then we've got one last tomato, although I have questions about him. He might be like no longer good, but that's okay. And then, oh, there's another one of those round boys. And then we've got a whole thing of jalapenos here. So I have more of those in another place, I think. Oh no, I put those in the fridge, I guess, even though I've got this. So got these green tomatoes, green tomato, and then, oh, two of these are orange already. And then I've got these green tomatoes. So I'm just gonna pickle these and gonna make farmer's lunch sandwiches. If you don't know, farmer's lunch sandwiches are super good. They're a local thing. There is this like fancy grocery sandwich store in JP called City Feed, and they have this sandwich called the farmer's lunch sandwich, and it's lettuce, sharp cheddar cheese, like the white sharp cheddar cheese, on baguette with mayonnaise, mustard, lettuce. Did I say lettuce already? Anyway, and pickled green tomatoes. So I'm gonna make my own pickled green tomatoes and maybe make some pickled carrots as well, and pickled jalapenos. But I don't think I'm gonna do pickled jalapenos today. Oh, I also got this little squash. I don't even know what this is. So I'm gonna have to Google this and find out what it is, and then we'll eat it. I don't know. It smells like, I mean, it's some kind of squash or melon. It seems rather firm. It's very pretty. I just don't know what it is, so I will find out and let you know. But anyway, there is the late summer, early fall harvest. So lots of peppers. Oh, this one's a jalapeno. We'll put that one over there. Lots of peppers. That's a jalapeno that just turned red. By the way, if you don't know, all peppers in the universe start out green and turn a color. So jalapenos turn red if you let them stay on the vine long enough. Not the vine, but they stay on the plant long enough. You won't see them this way in stores. Mostly you'll probably see them more like this, because farmers and stores don't want to wait till they have fully ripened. But this is what a jalapeno looks like when it's fully ripened. It does change the flavor a little bit. It's a little more fruity, a little more, it's a little less aggressive, actually, when it's fully ripe. It's nice, but it's not the same as your classic green jalapeno. So a little bit of horticultural food knowledge for you. All right, let me let me get down to business here. Okay, I found out this is delicata squash. I've never heard of this before. There's 2 of them out there. I may go get the other one. But apparently it's kind of like, it's also called like sweet potato squash. So maybe it'll taste like sweet potato or butternut squash kind of vibes, which could be cool for like a little soup. Maybe? You know what? That might be the move. I'm gonna go get the other one, and then we'll do a little soup moment tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, the other one's not ripe, and maybe this one isn't fully ripe either, but we're gonna have it hanging around anyway, so cool. If you've never pickled anything before in your life, it's so easy, you're gonna love it. So quick pickling is something I do a lot. So I use equal parts white vinegar and just plain water. So there's the water going in, now here's the vinegar going in. I just used 1 cup and 1 cup. Depending on the amount of vegetables or fruit or whatever you're pickling, you might want to use more or less, but it's up to you as long as you use equal parts. I put 1 tablespoon of salt per part of liquid, or I guess, so I'm using 2 tablespoons per part. I don't know, it's weird. Anyway, and this is when I heat these up over the stove, and then I put in my aromatics. I put in some mustard seed and some black pepper. You can put in whatever you want. You can put in like hot peppers, you know, garlic. I'm putting garlic actually in the jar. And you're gonna wanna have some sort of hermetic jar. Now I'm cutting these, I'm slicing these, and look how beautiful they are. They're so gorgeous. Green tomatoes don't have as much of the oozy liquid as like ripe tomatoes, so they were really awesome. So the one thing you want to do definitely when you're making quick pickles is put the stuff in the jar before you pour the pickling liquid in. So as soon as that starts to boil, take it off the stove and pour in your hot liquid. You might make a mess like me. I made a huge mess, but it's totally fine. Make sure everything is in the bottom of under the liquid. So you want to press that down a little bit, and then you just wait for these to cool. Put a top on your container and give them a little shaky shake, you know, just to make sure that everything is nice and distributed. Look at that. Look how gorgeous. Give it a little shake and let it cool on the counter before putting it in the fridge, and they keep for like a month or so. Pretty easy. Clover came over because I was chopping something at the counter, because usually if I have a carrot or something or a cucumber, I give him a little bit. I'm sorry, I don't have anything for you. I just had tomatoes and we were pickling them. You woke up from your beauty sleep to come over to beg for food. I'm so sorry. So I think for the next 3 hours, I'm gonna do some content creation for my other channel and just knock it out, because yesterday I filmed a video for my other channel and realized halfway through that I only taped half of my footage, so I'm a little bummed, but that's okay, we'll do it again, and I will see you on the other side for dinner. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another episode of the Black Widow Challenge, but cottage core style. And we are here with our Black Widow, Harper Hamilton. I think I was taking pictures of her in this scene, but it is raining, so we really have to take her home. So I'm thinking in today's episode, we will maybe explore our romance a little bit with Nancy Landgraf's husband. Maybe we'll invite him over for dinner, and something will happen to Nancy. Okay, welcome back to the end of the vlog. I didn't end up making dinner. We're ordering a pizza. Which is probably a bad decision, but it's just what we're doing today because it's Friday. And I spent the last 4 hours making videos for my other channel, and I am still editing. I got one posted, but I'm editing the second one. I'm gonna do the other 2 tonight and also edit this vlog so that I can be ahead for the next couple of weeks. I just think that that's the way I wanna go. So it's gonna be a short vlog today. What did we do today? We had lunch, we played with Clover, we were ordering pizza, I made pickles, I picked vegetables. It was kind of a chill day, and some of these vlogs are gonna be super short, but I hope you enjoyed anyway, and I will see you tomorrow with another vlog. Tomorrow we've got lots to do. We've got live streams. We're gonna chill, hang out with the husband, Clover. You can go. Look at, he wants to go out so bad. He's like, can you let me out, please? Hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Clover, I'm gonna let you out. There you go. There you go. You're gone. You're done. Goodbye.